Vercel versus Netlify versus Firebase. Which hosting platform fits your web app? Deploying and managing web applications is easier than ever thanks to modern hosting platforms. These three offer powerful tools for front end and full stack apps, but they differ in approach, ecosystem, and ideal use cases. So, I want to give you a quick guide to help you decide which one suits your next project. Now, let's go ahead and start with Vercel. So, Vercel is a front end first platform created by the team behind Next.js. It offers a seamless experience for deploying static and dynamic apps, especially React based projects. With Git integration, automation, deployments, and edge functions, it's ideal for developers who want full performance and ease of use. Pros: excellent for Next.js and front end frameworks, simple Git based deployment, edge functions, and serverless backend support, blazing fast global CDN. Setbacks: so they've got a limited database or backend tools out of the box. Serverless functions have execution time limits, and free tier may not fit production level projects. Netlify is a popular platform for deploying static sites and Jamstack apps. It supports custom builds, serviceless functions, form handling, and more. It's highly flexible, integrates well with static site generators and front-end frameworks like Vue, React, and Hugo. Pros: easy continuous development from JIT, great support from static and Jamstack sites. There is a serverless function, edge middleware, and form handling, and generous free tier. Cons: serverless limits for free users, not as tailored for full stack or dynamic apps, and build times can be slow for those larger sites. Next, we have Firebase. So this is by Google, is a backend as service, so BaaS platform offering tools like real-time databases, hosting, authentication, and analytics. It's great for mobile apps and web projects that need real-time features or scalable infrastructure without managing the servers. Pros: real-time database and Firestore support, built-in auth, storage, analytics, and messaging. Powerful SDKs for web and mobile, and there is also Google Cloud integration. Setbacks: hosting is less tailored for front-end frameworks, vendor lock-ins with Firebase specific tools, and pricing scales quickly with usage. Final verdict: so go with Vercel if you're building with Next.js or other React frameworks and want fast optimized deployments, or pick Netlify for static or Jamstack sites with a focus on simplicity and front-end flexibility, or choose Firebase if you need back-end services like authentication, real-time database, or analytics, especially for mobile or real-time apps.